Let's explore the Christ the King statue in Gingoog City, Misamis Oriental. Christ the King Shrine is located at Barangay Samay, Gingoog City, Misamis Oriental, Philippines. The newest addition of tourist spot in Route 955. Route 955 is a national highway that connects Gingoog City to the municipality of Claveria and Villanueva, where the Christ the King Shrine is located. This 75 feet Christ the King statue is considered as the tallest in Asia and the first of its kind in the Philippines. The area around this statue will be then converted into a shrine. So tara, samahan niyo kami. Let's explore Christ the King Shrine in Gingoog, Misamis Oriental, Philippines, and experience the tallest Christ the King statue in Asia and first of its kind in the Philippines.